This tutorial will demonstrate how to show databases in MySQL Workbench. Anyways, I have explained you the command in the previous tutorial in MySQL command line, but this will be the detailed one. So I am opening my SQL Workbench, right? This will be the one. Let let's wait to get it opened once. And along with showing the databases, I will be showing you how to open MySQL Workbench, and how do we enter the command. So this is just welcome to MySQL Workbench. Let me just try to scroll it down. Yes. So here you will see MySQL connections, and this is local instance root. So this is where we were at the time of installation, and we set up the password for this only. So I will be selecting this, and it will ask me for the password, and user is root, and the service is mysql at the rate localhost colon 3306. This is the service, right? And like, just enter the password which you have entered here, and I have told you that to remember this password is crucial, because if you don't know, if you forget this password, then you will have to uninstall this MySQL Workbench and reinstall it, because uh, uh, if you forget this password, you will unable to log in, and your work will be gone, right? That will not be recovered. So this password is crucial, and if you are good in forgetting the passwords, then you should note it down somewhere, right, to memorize it. Just, and after entering the password, click on OK. It will open up the MySQL Workbench editor, just like this, and I will be removing it. Just refresh it once, right? And this is where all the schemas are present, schemas or database, you can say. This is the administration thing, management, instances, performance, schemas, and the one which you is currently in use is Sakila, because this is selected, right? Refresh all. Here I will be like, this tutorial is about showing databases. So after the setup of the database server of MySQL, and within the world of a database server, we can have a bunch of different databases. These are self-contained sort of silos of data and tables. They have nothing to do within one another. Every database has some sort of information relevant to that data present in a database. To take a look at what databases currently exist, we have one command, that is show databases, right? And at the last, we just have this semicolon. So this command is basically to list all the available databases we have in the MySQL server. This is mainly to see default databases present after the installation of database server, right? Database server is MySQL here at the initial level. We can run this command using this run option, right? Or we can just select it and execute it. It will show all the databases here in the result grid. So we have databases and information schema, MySQL performance schema, Sakila, Sys, and World. So this Sakila database is the one which got installed at the time of installation as a sample database, right? So this is for learning purpose, And as I told you in the previous tutorial that this semicolon which we add after the command, this semicolon is used to terminate the SQL command, right? To tell MySQL that we are just closing this command and we will be writing fresh new command at the end of this command. Further, after this command, we will be writing a fresh command, right? So this is how we display all the databases in MySQL Workbench. Let's get come back in next tutorial, and we will be demonstrating some other commands in MySQL or a database that are pretty useful for you to know. So stay tuned to the channel and this playlist.